Alright, I'm standing inside my little apartment with my balcony door open, and it's cold. I'm on the 18th floor. The building just to the left there is about 21 floors. Below me is Channel 11 News, local in Hamilton, and what is usually a very clear view of several buildings and a very busy Hunter Avenue is, you should see that snow blowing by. That is not a grainy picture. That, my friends, is the wind. This is officially a blizzard. The blizzard of 2007 on Valentine's Eve. It's grown far worse in the last 30 minutes than you can imagine. I hope nobody's driving out there, and I just want to send up a prayer for, God help any homeless who may or may not be out there right now. God, I hope not. Anyway, I hope you're all warm. Night.